In this video, we'll talk about NPM, Node Package Manager. When you're working on a Node project, whether it is a front-end web project or a server-side project, you may need some third-party packages to support your project. You can use NPM to install third-party packages into your own project. If this sounds familiar, it should be, because almost every popular programming language has its own package or library manager. The idea of NPM is quite similar to Maven in Java, pip in Python, gems in Ruby. All of them provide a set of publicly available reusable packages or libraries or modules available through easy installation via an online repository with version and dependency management. You can use NPM to install pretty much anything. For example, you can install front-end libraries like Bootstrap, jQuery, frameworks like AngularJS, React.js, and Vue.js. It can also install servers for your development environment. It can install backend frameworks like Express.js. It can install testing libraries and other front-end build tools like Webpack. NPM makes it very easy to share and reuse code in JavaScript world. If you guys designed some cool JavaScript modules, you can upload your JavaScript modules to NPM for other developers to download. There are commands in NPM to help you do that. This is the website of NPM. As you can see, I can search a JavaScript package, for example, Axios. This is the page for Axios. As you can see, this is the features, browser support, and how we use NPM to install Axios. NPM install Axios. To use NPM, you first need to download and install it. The good news is it is part of Node.js. So if you have already installed Node.js on your machine, automatically you have NPM. In this video, we'll talk about how to initialize a Node project using NPM. We're also going to talk about an important file called package.json. Also, how to download and manage JavaScript packages. In the end, we're going to talk about how to do versioning and some important NPM commands. First, I'm going to show you how to use NPM to initialize a Node project. I'm going to create a directory to hold my project. While I'm in this directory, I'm going to use a command, npm init. Then npm is asking me several questions. What is the package name? So I can just press enter because the default one is good. Version is 1.0.0. Description, this is a demo for NPM. Entry point is index.js. That's fine. Test command, go ahead. Git repository, return, author is Bing, return. So let me show you more here. So it looks good. So type yes and press return. Okay, so let me clear. Now, if I do ls, as you can see, under this empty directory, there is a file generated by NPM. It's called package.json. So we can take a look at this one. Package.json now saves some information about my Node project. For example, the name of the package, version, description, the entry point, and there's a script, author, and license. So exit. Next, we're going to open this project in VS Code because programming in terminal and VI editor is really painful. So I'm going to type code, and this starts my VS Code. As you can see, we have this package.json.